अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, ये हैं हमारे हीरो अब्दुल स्तार ईदी साहब। आए मैं इनकी ज़िंदगी के बारे में कुछ फैक्ट्स आपको बताती हूँ, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में कि उन्होंने इंसानियत की किस तरीके से खिदमत की। लेट्स रीड। देयर आर वेरियस इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोफेशंस दैट पीपल कैन चूज़ all over the world. Some of those include helping people as much as possible, such as a philanthropist. A philanthropist is someone who gives lots of their money or time to help others. Donating money or volunteering your time are good ways to help other people. Abdul Staridi was a great philanthropist. You may have heard about him because he helped so many people. Abdul Star Idi was born in 1928. He and his mother were poor, but his mother taught him to think about others. When he was little, she sent him to school with 2 paisa coins, one to buy his lunch and one to give to a beggar. Idi's mother became unwell when he was 11 years old. He looked after her until she died 80 years later. 8 years later. When he was 19 years old, Idi moved to Karachi. He sold cloth, but what he really wanted was to help people who were poor or ill. He wanted to set up a place where poor people could get medicine and help for free. He asked people for donations and people gave him money. In 1951, he used the donations to set up a small medical dispensary. From there, people could get help when they were ill or injured. He also bought a vehicle. That vehicle was his first ambulance. He drove it around Karachi, helping people and giving out medicine to those who needed it. Abdul Star Idi continued to collect donations. He bought more ambulances and opened more medical centers. He got people who were studying to become doctors to help him. Idi got others to volunteer to doctors, nurses, drivers, and anyone who wanted to help. Others could volunteer. Idi's small dispensary grew into what is now known as the Idi Foundation. The foundation also takes care of babies and children when their families cannot look after them. In his lifetime, Idi became the legal guardian of over 20,000 children whose families could not care for them. When babies are left at the foundation centers, they are cared for in special homes called orphanages and given education. Some go to live with new families. In 1965, Abdul Star Idi married a nurse called Balkis. They had 4 children. Balkis Idi worked for the Idi Foundation. She managed the work they do with mothers and their children. Many others need help from doctors and nurses when they are having a baby. Idi Foundation centers, doctors and nurses offer free help to mothers. Today, the Idi Foundation continues to raise money and use it to help people. It has over 1,800 ambulances and has trained over 40,000 people. Nurses, thousands of volunteers have worked for the foundation. 1 million people have been helped by the Idi Foundation centers. The foundation helps a lot of different people. In addition to helping people with medical problems, they also help people who need food or a place to live, people with disabilities, and many others. The Idi Foundation has even got some boats that they use to rescue people who are in trouble at sea. Idi began his work in Pakistan, but today his foundation helps people all over the world. The foundation has donating money and helped after floods and other disasters around the world. In Asia, when someone dials 115 to call for help in an emergency, the telephone call is answered by the Idi Foundation. Abdul Star Idi lived according to his beliefs. following Islam and doing good deeds for others, even if they were from a different background or religion. He worked hard for all his life. He lived in a small apartment in the Idi Foundation headquarters building, dressed simply and stayed focused on helping others. He said that we should all live and help live. Idi became known as the Angel of Mercy. The great philanthropist died on 8th of July 2016. Some of his children continue the work of the Idi Foundation. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इनके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देने का मकसद ये था कि आपको अच्छी पर्सनैलिटी, अच्छे लोगों के बारे में पता चल सके, ताकि उनके जाने के बाद हमारी न्यू जनरेशन भी इस काम को आगे बढ़ा सके। आई होप आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छा लगा होगा और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि किसी एक तक भी मेरा ये मैसेज पहुँच जाए और कोई इनके बारे में जानकर कोई एक फिर से एक अब्दुल सत्तार ईदी बनना चाहिए जो इंसानियत की खिदमत कर सके। मेरा मकसद सिर्फ यही है इन पर्सनैलिटीज़ के बारे में आपको बताना। आई होप आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छा लगा होगा और आप में से कोई ना कोई तो कोशिश करेगा इस रास्ते पर चलने की। मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।